So it's 2025. I've been really trying to take my eating habits a little bit better. So I'm only trying to eat out once a week, and the other day when I want to eat is what I'm going to make. So I wanted the viral Domino's pizza, the little Alfredo Philly cheesesteak thingy. So I'm going to make it. Why not? Cheese. I'm going to put my bacon in the air fryer to get it crispy. So I'm just going to pop this in the air fryer. We got some Kobe Jack cheese and monetary Jack cheese. We're gonna grate this up. So we're just gonna start grating up the cheese. This is going to take forever, so I'm going to come back. It's going to take me 2 minutes. I shredded up all the cheese. Okay, spilling out. Red bell pepper, green onions, and some garlic. A beautiful thing about videos, they're gonna get cut right now. It's like that. Gonna add all your vegetables. Put them in together. So I got my flank steak in there too. Cutting up the steaks because I didn't know. I thought they were already cut up. So this is done. So if you watched my last video, I made an Alfredo sauce, so we're gonna do the same thing. So how to do it, just add a couple tablespoons of butter. I'm gonna add up some minced up garlic to it. So for my Alfredo cheese sauce, I got Parmesan cheese in the bits from the shredded cheese. So it's Kobe Jack and a little bit of monetary Jack. Sauteed. We're gonna add our heavy whipping cream. Oh no, not this one. Sorry, I got a little bit of this left. We'll add it. Our heavy whipping cream. I'm just gonna stir it up. And we got the Parmesan cheese and the bits from the shredded cheese. And we're just gonna dump that in there. And I think I'm gonna add a little more heavy cream to it. So it's basically a cheese sauce. So we're just making our cheese sauce. So now we're just gonna stir it up until the cheese is melted. More heavy cream because I wanted it to not be so thick. I still want it to be like a soupy consistency. So look at that. Look at that cheese pull, baby. So I got a pre-made pizza crust because we're not that extra. But I got some garlic butter. I'm gonna paint around the edges and a little bit on here. So I got a tablespoon of garlic butter. I'm just gonna throw it. And then I got the cheese sauce. We're just gonna spread it out. Now we're gonna add our Philly cheesesteak to it. Bacon. Cheese. Add a little bit of that Kobe Jack cheese to it. A little bit of that monetary Jack cheese to it too. Okay, it's not. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. So we're gonna add some bacon to it, the final touches. So now we're gonna pop this bad boy in the oven at 400 for about 10 to 15 minutes. Ooh! Spend a couple of minutes while I was waiting on the pizza to cook. I made some boneless wings. Just gotta show you guys that. Look how good that looks. The sweet heat. Ready for the football game. Anything gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on it. This is how it looks. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. So ready to cut into this. Oh, I do not have a pizza cutter. I know, it's so weird. So this is how we're going to cut it open. Get it nice. Look how good that slice looks. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, there we go. We're gonna give this bad boy a try. Again, look how good this looks. Philly cheesesteak pizza. I can see why it went viral on Domino's. I just made it better. I think this is better than Domino's. Oh my gosh. Look at this bite. Look at how good this looks. Enjoyed the video, man. Please like and subscribe. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers by March. So please, thank you, man. Keep it good. Hey, keep the vibes good and it eats even better. Peace.